हाउसबाट एउटा सानो कथा लिएर उपस्थित भएको छु र मेरो कथा यस प्रकार छ। उहिलेको समयमा एउटा मगरमच्छ बस्थ्यो। त्यो मगरमच्छ अलिक लालची र अल्छे थियो। उसको टोलीमा अरू मगरमच्छ त्योसँग पुरै रिसाउँथे किनकि उसले उनीहरूको खाना चोरेर भाग्थ्यो। उसको यो खाना चुराउने बानीले गर्दा नै अरू मगरमच्छहरूले एक दिन रिस उठे र उसलाई खेदाइदिए। ऊ मगरमच्छ भाग्दा भाग्दै एउटा अक्टोपसको छेउमा आइपुग्यो। त्यो मगरमच्छ त्यही अक्टोपससँग बस्नु थाल्यो। त्यो अक्टोपसले त्यो मगरमच्छलाई जहिले राति अलिअलि गर्दै खाना ल्याइदिन्थ्यो। त्यो मगरमच्छले त्यो खानाले अगाउँदैन थियो। अन्त एक दिन त्यो मगरमच्छलाई साह्रै भोक लागेको बेला त्यो अक्टोपसको एउटा हातै खाइदियो। त्यो मगरमच्छले दिनमा दिन त्यसको हात खाँदै जाँदा एक दिन त्यो अक्टोपसको हातै सक्यो। त्यो हात सकेकोले गर्दा त्यो अक्टोपस मर्यो। त्यो मगरमच्छलाई भात ल्याइदिने कोही पनि खाना ल्याइदिने कोही पनि भएन। अन्त त्यसै प्रकार त्यो मगरमच्छ मर्यो। यो कहानीको शीर्षक हो लोभले लाभले जित्छ।
The son, when he was born, the astrologer predicted that he will be the strongest, he will be the bravest, and he will be the champion of the champions. But one day he have to die, and the reason for his death would be a tiger. And day by day, as the newborn baby was growing older, and all the things predicted by the astrologer was coming true. He was strongest, he was bravest, he could be the champion. And when he came to know that his death would be by a tiger, he decided to prove the astrologer wrong. Because his opinion was that death is inevitable, and the astrologer cannot simply predict that his death would be by a tiger, because ultimately human beings have to die. So he decided to kill a tiger, and he was successful in killing a tiger, and he decided to meet the astrologer. He told the astrologer that you told that my death would be because of a tiger, but see now I have successfully killed a tiger. So how can you tell that my death would be because of a tiger? And the astrologer told that yes, you are right that you have killed the first tiger successfully, but your death will be by a tiger, by the 100th tiger. Though you can kill the 99 tigers, but the 100th tiger you cannot kill it. When you kill the 100th tiger, you have to meet your death. So he decided to prove the astrologer wrong, because he was so into the thing. His opinion was that death is inevitable. So he banned tiger hunting in his state, and then he ordered all the villagers, he ordered all the people of his state that no people is able to hunt the tiger except the king, because he had a aim, he had a goal. So one day the entire tiger of his state was dead. He killed the entire tiger, but still he was able to kill only around 60-70 tigers. And to kill the 100th tiger, he even decided to get married to the princess of a state with higher number of tiger population. So when he did that, he even killed the entire tiger of the princess state. So ultimately, there came a time when there was no tiger. He ultimately killed the entire tiger. He was in 99 tiger. So where was the one tiger that has to be killed? So he ordered the village Devan to find the new tiger. And ultimately, what happened? The Devan, he decided, okay, we'll get a tiger for you from a nearby circus. So they successfully bought a tiger, and the king thought when the tiger was bought, was bought by the Devon, the tiger killed it. And the tiger was so happy that yes, I killed 100 tiger and proved the astrologer wrong. But what happened? The tiger was actually frightened by the gun and he was fainted. He was unconscious, so he fainted. He did not actually kill 100 tiger. And the tiger was sorry, but the king was so happy that I killed the tiger and the astrologer is wrong. And one day what happened? The tiger, sorry, the king also, he had a newborn son and it was his first birthday. The king decided to gift his newly born child a wooden tiger. You know, the wooden tiger made up of the wood and the nails. And one day he was playing with his only child, and what happened? The nail on the wooden tiger, it got pierced in his finger. You know, it got pierced on his finger. So due to that, though it was a minor cut, it led to a severe medical condition, and he was taken care by so many medical specialists. And ultimately, it was so severe that he had to meet his fate. He had to meet his death. The king died. So what happened? He wasn't able to kill the 99 tiger, but even though the tiger was made up of wood, the death was by the 100th tiger. So this was the story. The tiger died by the 100th tiger. The king died by the 100th tiger, though it was made of wood. And the moral of the story is destiny and fate are important factors in life, and arrogance and obsessions are dangerous in life. Thank you.